Hello and welcome to Draw 524. We're at the beautiful Natura Apartments in 112 the Esplanade here in Burleigh Heads. I've got a great apartment to show you through and I'm really excited to welcome you through. Happy New Year as well, and looking forward to showing off some of our beautiful homes here for 2023. So come on through. We've got Bree behind the camera. See stunning features as you walk through, and all our letterboxes are here and great parcel storage as well, so great for your deliveries that you don't have to worry about. And we've got a swipe to get us in. It's all very secure. There's stunning features. All the finishes are beautiful in here. There's obviously a shared common area. And we have access to the lift that takes you to your own foyer. That's a shared foyer with the level 2. Here we go, into the lift. Okay, we're on level 2 now, so we can see we've got a shared foyer. We've got room 201, unit 201 to this side, and then 202, which is our property. And we've got a key. Come through, Bree, come and check out this beautiful home, and it is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to show you through, but yeah, you can just, I suppose, take in the moment if you can, Bree, just taking in that beautiful view when you walk through the door straight away. So absolutely stunning. We'll start at the front and then we'll work our way back. Could you imagine waking up to this every day and this beautiful apartment, 524, valued at $3.1 million total first prize. That includes $50,000 in gold bullion. Drawn on the 6th of March, closes on the 5th of March. So don't miss out on your ticket. Have a look at this stunning apartment. Now, this is all about the lifestyle, Bree. You know, you've just got Burleigh down the end here, but this is Burleigh Beach right out the front of you. This is your backyard. How stunning is this? This is what it's all about. It's the lifestyle, the view, and this beautiful home. And I'm excited to show you through this gorgeous outdoor dining, which would be lovely to wake up, have breakfast and sit out here on your balcony. You know, check out the surf before you go for a surf. We've got our barbecue. It's very spacious out here as well. So it's, you know, there's plenty of room. You could put another day bed in here if you wanted to, and then obviously got a tap as well. The balustrade is quite high, so very safe. Even I struggle to look over it, Bree. I'm a shorty, but that's how high it is. So it is very, very safe. And let's have a look at this stunning living space, and beautiful furniture. And you can sort of see how the designer has taken in the elements of the outside in of this stunning beach decor. We've got the tan leather lounge. We've got the daybed over here in the corner that would, you know, act as a great study, or, you know, lay there and read the paper, read a book, just have a relax when you get back from the beach. We've got some tour. Clay's done a bit of a tour of all the amenities as well, so that'll be shown in another video. But there's a great pool and a great lifestyle centre here as well at the Natura Apartments. But again, you've got your backyard is the beach across the road. Then we've got, in this beautiful lounge dining, so we've got an 8-seater dining piece, absolutely stunning as well. And again, looking at that view, I just can't stop looking that way rather than looking in here. You know, beautiful textured wallpaper to give it that layer of warmth. And yes, we have a wine fridge, Bree, a very key necessity of, or a drinks fridge, doesn't have to be wine. Key necessity for any lifestyle to have an additional fridge for your entertaining or your personal use. So gorgeous kitchen and appliances. So we've got the stone bench top. We've got the 3 beautiful stools there, and Galganel appliances installed as well. We've got features around the power points that have been inverted into the stone, which is very unusual. So I just wanted to sort of show that, Bree, as well. We've got the power point and you've got the USB port to charge your phone or your laptop or anything like that in there as well. So yeah, stunning, yeah, lovely. And I said, you can imagine sitting out here, you know, cooking every morning, lunch, dinner. I don't think I'd go anywhere if I lived here. It is absolutely beautiful. Waking up to that every day. And here we've got, you know, great storage. We've got the bins in here. We've got obviously the under sink, and we've got the dishwasher in here. Plenty of drawers. These are all obviously drawers along here. You've got all your cutlery. So as you know, with the properties, everything that you see in the property, you do win. So there's cutlery. We've got plates. We've got saucepans. We've got everything that you need. All you need to do is pack your toothbrush and move in. We have the inverted fridge, which is also quite large. And again, we've got the additional fridge over there for your drinks as well. But there is a little, drink holder rack in there for your drink bottles or your little glass of bubbles as well. Then also we've got our stove top, all storage under here as well. Drawers, overhead cupboards as well. And there's plenty of storage along the hallway, which I'll show you shortly. And then plenty up here as well. So very lovely. We've got the shears here as well as the blinds. So for those mornings that you want to have a sleep in, when you get that beautiful Queensland 4:30 a.m. sunrise, it actually is, you can have the blockouts out as well. But we've obviously got it open today so you can actually take in this beautiful view. Onto the side we have our little butlers, our little pantry, so plenty of storage in here. We've got the microwave, the toaster, the kettle, there's all your glassware, crockery, plenty of things for you to have. We've got the cheese knives ready for the lucky winner, so the famous platter that the winner gets on their arrival. We have all these things in place, so when they arrive there'll be something there special for them to enjoy this beautiful moment and never want to leave. Okay, well now we'll go through the master, but before we do that, I'll just show again this, the part of being in a complex. Obviously got the ability to let people in if they ring the front door, so we can enter that in. If they're down there, we can actually let them in if it's one of your guests arriving. There is one car park allocated to this apartment, and there's also a visitor parking as well, and passes that are available for the lucky winner that they could give them to their guests. But there's plenty of beach parking across the road as well. So but I think if I lived here, you'd nearly ditch the cars and just get on a bike or a scooter. It's so close to everything we've got. I said you'd walk down to Burleigh, you've got plenty of cafes and restaurants, and one of my favourites is Rickshaws, and people know that I love going there, but it is literally walking distance, and so many great cafes and shopping, and so much to do here in Burleigh. So we look forward to sharing that as well with you. They come through here. It's our master. Beautiful, again, the elements of the ocean and the colours that have been brought into the property. The designer, I had coffee with him this morning and just talking about, the way he gets inspired by, the way he designs, and it is taking the elements of the property and what's around the surroundings. So I love the way he's been able to put this together and add some beautiful pieces that's given this luxe feel. Again, we've got the shears and the blinds as well to block out the sun, but there is a view there out looking to the ocean as well. But added some texture in the wallpaper, and then you've got the beautiful back end air conditioning, ceiling fans, and then you walk through. I'll meet you on the other side, Bree, to this expansive walk-in robe. It's absolutely stunning. Plenty of storage, plenty of hanging space. We've got drawers. You've got a beautiful little dressing table as well. You put your jewellery and putting your makeup on as well if you wanted to. You've got more hanging there, and then you've got drawers here as well. So lots of space. And I think if you lived here, you wouldn't need much things other than your swimmers and a beach towel and a few little easy things to chuck on to go to the beach. So great space. And then you go into this beautiful ensuite that is absolutely divine. So walking into this feature of a bath, it's absolutely stunning. All the stone bench tops, you've got two sides of it. So you've got, a shared bathroom for a couple that we could, have their own each in here. The lovely features of the tiles and this stunning lighting that is quite significant throughout the apartment building. And it just gives that beautiful feature of luxe design. And then, you've got the shower here, this curved wall, which I love. And, coming into here, and these tiles and the ledge that's been put in here for your shampoo, conditioner, your soaps, all the towels, all these things are included. So lucky winner just moves in. It does have a blind here, so don't be alarmed of the outdoor, because you have got the blind for privacy. And then of course you've got the powder room in there too, which is also very private as well, with the blind down, of course. So come through here, we'll show through the rest of the property, but plenty of room, lots of storage in this home, and the lucky winner could be moving in on the 6th of March. So we're looking forward to handing over. We handed over our 523 property this week, and the lucky winner's got a great story, and we can't wait to share that. And certainly don't want to give too much away, but that lucky winner is certainly got a story that everyone will be excited to hear. So come through here, we've got our laundry, which is quite spacious, plenty of room again, plenty of storage. You've got your washing machine and dryer and an iron, all the accessories you need to move in. You've got your little drying rack as well, storage under here as well, and again, overhead storage for the other pieces. Got another toilet. It's a stunning artwork along the way, and just I suppose another feature that, you know, being in an apartment is around your rubbish, so no more worry about wheeling the bins out, the green bins out every, you know, remembering what day's bin day. His bin day is every day here, and so you literally have a button for recycle or garbage, and that will shoot that down to recycle. Part of the body corp is obviously that gets taken away. I'm not sure how often, but generally they get removed pretty quickly each week. So all the body corporate details are available. If you have any questions, please put them into the comments, and we can actually respond to any of those questions in regards to the body corp. But it's certainly not a large body corp, and some great benefits of that. You don't have to worry about mowing the lawns. You don't have to worry about putting the bins out, all those things. Never have to clean the pool again. It's literally, you know, make your bed, clean your house, and go to the beach. I think it's a great lifestyle to have. So come through, we've got this beautiful sitting area here, Bree. And again, you know, this is a great fit. I mean, you could easily put a study nook in here if you wanted to as well, for that additional space. But we've sold it as a sitting room, but it could be used utilised as a study nook for anyone that wanted to work from home, because why wouldn't you want to work from home when you live near the beach? Okay, we've got, back up here, we've got more storage. So we've got plenty of cupboards to show. Come through. And there's PowerPoints placed in the cupboards as well. So, you know, charging stations and things like that. And more here. Such a long, expansive hallway. We've got our emergency staircase access here. And then we have in here, we've got our bedroom number 2. So all our bedrooms come with a ensuite. So great, you know, to have that luxury feel that everyone's got their own bathroom, not having to share. So if you go on in, Bree, and have a look. And yeah, as I said, we've got plenty of blinds. As I said, we've got them open today so that to show off how close we are to the beach. And you can see there's a little bit of salt on the windows, but that's part of living at the beach. You know, they will be cleaned. They're cleaned often within the body corporate, but it is, you know, what a great place to wake up every day. And then we come through here to our next bedroom, but we've got just some more storage to show. So in here, we've got the vacuum ready to go, Dyson. So where the lucky winner will have their own Dyson to you know, do the cleaning. But if they win a house, maybe they can, you know, get a cleaner themselves as well. More storage in here. So winning a house not only gives you the chance to win a luxury home, but it does change the lives of young people as well. So, you know, we really value your support, and now more than ever, young people are needing our help. So, you know, we appreciate you buying a ticket to support, and you know, imagine winning this and life-changing, you know, being mortgage-free, and you could move in here on the 6th of March. Again, there's our 3rd bedroom, and another bathroom in here as well. All got the wardrobes in place as well. And then just some of the wardrobe space, which I didn't show in the other bedroom, apologise, but yeah, so we've got the PowerPoints in there as well, so if you're charging phones and those sorts of things can be done as well. So yeah, and then there's, at the end of the apartment, we have a little a door as well, which is just an access to an emergency area. So just yeah, a little bit of open fresh air if you needed to, but we've also got the shears to protect that from privacy. But then take a look at that beautiful hallway. So it is a very large apartment, Bree. It certainly will be, you know, loved by somebody on the 6th of March. And we get a lot of questions about, you know, whether they can have animals. Yes, animals are allowed in this property. It has to be, there's a certain weight that they have to be, and it has to be approved by body corporate, but yeah, pets are allowed. Can it be rented? Yes, it can, on a permanent basis, but not holiday lettered. But you know, there's an opportunity for some additional income if you didn't want to move here. But hey, if I won this, you'd have this as your second home, and you'd be spending your weekends here, and the luxury of, you know, having a beach house as well. So We wish you luck and thank you for your support. As I said, we're looking forward to exciting 2023, and we've got some lovely offers to bring to you in the next few months. But we really value what you do for us and how you help young people. Empowering Kids Helpline. Without your support, we would not be able to do what we do. So thank you and good luck in the draw.